Happy birthday, Tessie, from John and Cherry Ugan of Guam. We hope that you have a very happy birthday and always keep safe. We love you both. Okay.
Hi Tess, happy birthday! May you have many more years of birthdays to enjoy. Bihira man tayo magkita at magkausap. You know, may kilala mo ako. I love you so much. And thank you for everything. I love you!
Happy birthday, Mommy Tessie. I love you. May Jesus lift you up, and I pray that you have a good birthday. Love you.
Hello, Ate Tessie. I just wish you a happy birthday. More good health, more love, more enjoyment, and lots of happiness. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for taking care and giving support and love and attention to Aryan and Soyuz. Without you, I cannot do it alone. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Now, you have to enjoy your day, and we love you. God bless, and see you next year. I love you.
Hi Tessie, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more blessings. And many more birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy your bongacious party and say hi to our all relatives who are attending your party. God bless you and God bless everyone. Bye.
So hi Tita. So where I am now and what I am blessed with today and what I am enjoying today is a proof of how God can really make use of people like you to help people like me without asking for anything in return. We are not your responsibility, but you let God take control of you before, during the times He knows na I needed someone to guide me. He knows that I have a hardened heart, and you let Him use you, and I thank you for that. I thank you and Tito Lito for guiding me, for helping me out. Hindi mo po tayo lagi nagkakasundo, but at the end of the day, I always want to shout out to you, Philippians chapter 1 verse 3, that every time I think of you, I always give thanks to our one and true God. I will always thank God for your life. Thank you. I love you. And a happy birthday, Tita. I love you so much.